Okay, Shante, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create a streak mail merge. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your email. And we've already set this up before. You're going to create or make or use your hashtag, which is GearUpFamily. And that's going to load for you. That's going to load for you. And you're going to see it says hello family. The whole thing is all set up that way. And what you're going to do is click in this top box where it says recipients. You're going to click on mail merge. It is going to say send one or more emails to many recipients. Pick recipients or upload a CSV. So you're going to upload the CSV file, and you're going to see I have it saved here, which I sent this to you, which is CAH-students list CSV, and you're going to open that up. Once you open that up, it's going to bring you to another screen, and it's going to load all of your recipients, which you can see 616 recipients. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at what we call these variables, which is this down arrow here. So in our variables, we have current grade, mentor, advisor, parent email, and student name. What we want to do is change out this student name here, which is this Owen O'Hare McGuffey, and we're going to put in a new variable, which is student name. And so when we enter the student name here in this field, it will in fact we can bold that one if we wanted to, but it will actually load in here. And so as we've gone through this process here, you can see welcome back, we're thrilled to, etc., 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 right? And there are the links, and here are also where you change the student's name. The only thing different with this email is that this also includes parking permits, so we should add the parking permit link in here as well. So I might at the top here allude to parking permits somewhere on this form. That is all you need to do. Hit start mail merge, and it will send out as promised. Thank you.